This is LG Q70 and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up the Nearby Share function on this device. First step is to turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Onwards, among the shortcuts at the control center, find the one that says Nearby Share. Here I have it in my case. Touch and hold. In order to activate it, just switch on this little toggle. Then you can rename your device if you want to. Change its visibility mode. Make sure to set it visible to everyone. And also modify the data type that will be used for the file transfer. From here we are all set up. We are all set. The only thing that I want to do is to test out and see how well it works. So let's say I will try to transfer the screenshot. So like this photo, let's say, whatever, share, allow, nearby share, wait until our LG gets discovered, tap on it, then accept the transfer at the receiver's end, wait for the photo to get moved, and as you can see, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.